Happy morning, children. How are you all? Let us to begin Geography 4th lesson, that is Agriculture. Children, transformation from a plant to finished product means from raw material to finished product. It involves totally three types of economic activities, and those three types of economic activities are primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary activity includes all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources like agriculture, fishing and gathering. Secondary activities are connected with the processing of these resources like manufacturing of steel, baking of bread and weaving of cloth. Now, the third one is tertiary activities. It provides support to the primary and secondary sectors through services, example, transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising. Agriculture is a primary activity which includes the growing of crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. Favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agriculture activity. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Now, farm system. Agriculture can be looked at as a system like inputs. Inputs includes seeds, fertilizers and machinery. Next one is operations, which includes plowing, sowing and irrigation, and outputs will be crops, wool, dairy and poultry products. Now, types of farming. Farming is classified depending on the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor and level of technology. Subsistence farming and commercial farming. These are the two types of farming. First one is subsistence farming. It is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. It can be further classified as intensive subsistence and primitive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming or agriculture. The farmer cultivates a small plot of land using simple tools and more labors. Farmers can grow more than one crop annually on the same plot. In primitive subsistence agriculture, it includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding that you already learnt. But once again, let me to repeat. Shifting cultivation, it is also called as a slash and burn agriculture or jhum cultivation. A plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops like maize, yam, potatoes and casva are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Next one is nomadic herding. Here, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for fodder and water along defined routes. Sheep, camel, yak and goats are commonly reared. They provide milk, meat, wool, hides and other products to the herders and their families. Commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. Commercial farming includes grain farming for commercial purpose. Mixed farming, it is done for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. And plantation agriculture, in plantation agriculture single crop that thrives well is grown. Tea, coffee, sugarcane, banana, cotton, etc. are grown in plantation agriculture. Okay children, let us to continue in next part. Thank you. Have a good day.